Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Binance wallet. First, you'll need to create an account on the Binance platform. You can easily do this using your email address or phone number. Next, it's crucial to complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC, by providing a valid ID and a quick facial scan. Finally, make sure to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your new wallet. This simple setup ensures your assets are protected from the start. Once your account is set up, you'll want to fund your wallet. You have several options for this. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, using a bank transfer or by linking your credit or debit card. Alternatively, if you already own cryptocurrency, you can transfer it directly from another wallet or a different exchange. Binance also allows you to convert your fiat currency into crypto seamlessly within the platform itself, making it very convenient. With funds in your wallet, it's important to manage your assets wisely and prioritize security. Regularly monitor your portfolio and review your transaction history to stay informed. Always use strong, unique passwords for your Binance account and enable every available security feature, such as anti-phishing codes. Be extremely cautious of any unsolicited emails or messages, as phishing attempts are common. Never click on suspicious links. Always verify the source. Beyond basic storage, Binance offers many advanced features. You can explore various trading options, including spot and futures markets, to diversify your strategies. Consider participating in staking or earning programs to potentially generate passive income from your holdings. Remember to always do your own research before engaging in any advanced financial activities. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to other great deals and resources, including some fantastic durable socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.